Alright guys, so I got my new glass in. It's made by Impy. It's got a slight tint to it, as you can tell. They call it smoke tint. Just enough to be slightly darker than clear, but when it's in the car you really can't tell, so I'll probably still put a good tint over it. But anyways, what we're doing tonight is installing the rubber trim. So if you've never done this before, it is a pain. You got to make sure you get the groove started in the correct spot. You see here, this is where they weld the rubber together. So I like to put them on the bottom. Some people put them on the sides. I would not put it in a curve because it could eventually crack, into the corners or whatever. So I'd probably I'd stick to one of the straight edges, either that edge or this edge. So I went ahead and did this one just to show you guys the end product. But I'll go ahead and walk you through how to do the other one. So to get it started, you want to lay it out to where you can work it all the way around the glass. Okay, I made sure this rubber weld is down at the bottom. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and got started on one of the corners, and then I once I got that started, I came to the other corner, and then made sure this was where I still wanted it, and then I would just work it around. You get to a point where you have to stretch it over the glass. So we'll see if I can show you on this one how to install it. So let's stay tuned here, guys. Let me set the camera down. So you're gonna want to find this groove here. Okay, that's the one that's going to go around the glass. This other groove here and here, this is going to be on the outside of the vehicle. There's another groove right there. That's going to go around the body of the car. Okay, so we'll go and split this one, get it started. It's a little pain to get it started, but we'll get it in there. Okay. There's the bubble wrap. That's what the glass came in. Alright, so we'll try this again over here. Make sure I got everything aligned. There we go. Alright, get a little bit more on there. So there's a technique to it, believe it or not. Now I got that one on, I'm going to come around to this corner here. Okay. I'll show you the technique once I get this corner on. Alright, that one went on a lot easier. Okay. Alright, so the technique to it is to get the outside on first, and then you stretch the inside over. Okay, let me get this corner back on. There we go. So once you get the technique down, it goes pretty quick. There we go. we go. This one just, there we go, it doesn't want to stay on. There we go, now it started. Perfect. Alright, so now you're going to get down to the last little bit here. Okay, you got to stretch it over the window. That's where it becomes kind of a pain. Let me see if I can work this just a little bit more. Sometimes it's just a battle, guys. Open up. There we go. All right, so got that hooked. The pain that was. All right, there it is. It's a battle, but it's not, too difficult to get on. Just you gotta get some finger strength on that to open that groove. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching me on this rubber install. I will show you how to put these windows into the car. But currently the car is not at a state where I want to put the windows in. Still got to finish some body work, paint it, and then I could slide those windows in. So let's get one over here and you kind of see how dark it is. So not too dark, but there it is with it on. There it is with it off. So it gives it a little tint. Not much. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.